Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. We are in a fifth meeting, so we will try to discuss our next materials. As far as you know that in our previous meeting we have discussed about fragments, the definition of fragments, and also the first and second type of fragments. And right now we will try to continue against our discussions discussing about the type of fragments. So I suggest to you to open your module. You could find on 170. You will find subtopic entitled edit detail fragments. That's become our material today. Edit detail fragment like a subject and a verb. So you should remember that fragment happen where there is a missing in a subject or in a verb, or it does not express a complete thought. The result will be a fragment, not a sentence. Okay, so edit detail fragment like a subject and a verbs. They often begin with one of the following words or phrases, like also, especially, except, for example, including, and such as. So edit detail fragment usually happens when they are begin with one of these following words or phrases. Okay, look at the example. Example 1. Tony has trouble accepting criticism. Tony has trouble accepting criticism. This is become a sentence. Why? Because Tony's subject has become verbs. Except from Lola. This is a fragment. Except from Lola, starting with the word except. Okay, this is a fragment. Why? Because missing a subject and missing a verbs. She has a knack for tech. This is a sentence. So the fragment is except from Lola. Okay, look at the second example. My apartment has a drawbacks. This is a sentence. Okay, the underline here is a fragment. For example, no hot water in the mornings. No hot water in the morning is a fragment. Why? Because lacking of subject and verbs. Okay, example number 3. I had many jobs while in school. Among them, busboy, painters, and security guard. Among them, starting with the word among. This is a fragment. Okay, lacking subject and the verbs. And the question is how to correct edit detail fragments. As far as you know, in correcting dependent with fragment there are 3 ways. So that's also with correcting in and to fragments. There are 2 ways. But in edit detail fragment there are some ways that could be chosen by you in correcting the fragment if you find the fragments. Number 1, attach the fragment to the complete thought that precedes. For example, Tony has trouble accepting criticism. Attach, it means that tempelkan the fragment, tempelkan fragment tersebut kepada ide yang lengkap yang telah mendahulunya. Tony has trouble for accepting criticism because it is attaching, so the full stop should be changed into comma here. Comma, except from Lola. So except from Lola is attached to the sentence that that come before it. Okay. Number 2, add subject and a verb to the fragment to make it a complete sentence. For example, tambahkan subject dan verb di sini. For example, my apartment has a drawbacks. Full stop. For example, comma, there is no. So there, adding subject. The subject is there, and adding a verb. The verb is. Is to be, but the function become a verb. Okay. So making a new sentence here. Okay. Correcting number 3. Change word as necessary to make the fragment part of the preceding sentence. For example, example number 3. Rubahlah kata yang penting untuk membuat bagian dari fragment itu menjadi bagian pada kalimat sebelumnya. Okay. it will be like this one. To correcting fragment number 3. Among the many jobs I had while in school have been busboy, painter, and security guard. Will be different like this one. So attaching this one to this one, not attaching but inserting. So it could be making sense between the sentence and then the fragments. Yeah. Okay. It will be among the many jobs I had while in school have been busboy, painter, and security guard. Yeah, that's 3 of correcting edit detail fragments. So please do activity 5 and then activity 6 also. Read the directions, read the direction in deep. Okay, the last fragment we call as missing subject fragments, ya, atau fragment yang hilang subjeknya, ya. In each example, underline the word group in which the subject is missing, ya. Oke, yang ada di contoh di sini adalah subjeknya itu hilang. Oke, look at example 1. One example of my grandfather's generosity is that he visits his friend in the hospital, full stop. Yeah, full stop. And takes a long get well card with a few dollars folded in them. Yeah, okay, missing subject here. Yeah, directly starting with an and its conjunctions, and then takes is a verb, so there is no subject here. Example number 2. The weightlifter granted as he have the barbell into the air. Yeah, this is a sentence. Yeah, then, comma, with a loud groan dropped them. Yeah, okay, drop is a verb. Yeah, missing a subject here. There is no subject here. Yeah, okay. If you find missing subject fragment, what should you do? Yeah, okay. If you find that once, yeah, you could correct by doing number 1. Attaching the fragment to the preceding sentence. Ya, attaching the fragment to the preceding sentence. Tempelkan kalau fragment tersebut kepada kalimat sebelumnya. Ya, kalimat sebelumnya. Okay, it will be one example of my father's generosity is that he visit its 6 friend in the hospital and take long get well card with a few dollar folded in them, ya, attaching, ya. Oke, kalau yang tadi ini kan full stop, ya, and then e-nya tuh capital. Karena ini adalah di attach, ya, so there is no comma and then the capital letter should be changed into small letter. Oke, number 2, add a subject, ya, which can often be a pronoun standing for the subject in the preceding sentence. Tambahkan subjeknya yang kadang-kala itu menjadi pronoun, ya. Okay, for example, look at example number 2. It will be then, comma, with a loud groan, comma, he dropped them. Ya, kalau tadi kan tidak ada he-nya, ya. As the fragment given, ya, there is no subject here, ya. So in correcting, please add subject, ya. When you adding a subject, please look at the context of the preceding sentence, ya. Lihat konteks dari kalimat sebelumnya, ya. Okay. Choose the appropriate pronouns. Okay, now please do, after we discuss, ya, the 4 type of fragments, ya, exactly in missing subject fragment, it is time for you also to do activity 7, ya. So in these times, ya, in this meeting we will study about activity 5, ya. Activity 5 is identifying and correcting the fragment, ya. This is the directions. Underline the fragment in its relation that follow, then make it a sentence by rewriting it using the method described in parentheses, ya. Okay, this is the directions, ya. Okay, yeah. Read, yeah. This is the example. Read and then find the fragment. The fragment is including meals, and then when you want to correct this one, yeah, this is the directions, yeah. Okay, Nah, direksinya ini, add the fragment to the preceding sentence. Tempelkan saja. Kalau tempelkan kan koma, full stop, change into koma, and then including, ya, just attaching including meals to the sentence that come before it. Okay, ya, do number 1, 2, 3, yes. And then activity 6, identifying and correcting edit detail fragments, ya. Underline the edit detail fragment in selection, garis bawahi, then rewrite, kemudian tulis ulang that part of the selection needed to correct the fragments, ya. Oke. Underline the fragments and then please correct the fragment, but there is no directions, ya. You should choose one of the 3 options given to correct edit detail fragments. And then activity 7, correcting missing subject fragment, ya. It is easy, ya. Just add a subject, ya, and when adding a subject, look at the context of the sentence, ya. Do number 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, and then 5. Okay, class, thank you. We will have a virtual meeting after this.